Now let's review figure 20-24. We're going to deal with transformers not over 112.5 kVA in accordance with NEC 450.21a, exception. Notice we have combustible material in the illustration, and the transformer is totally enclosed, dry type, with or without ventilating openings. And we're installing it in accordance with 450.21a and the exception. So we do not need any minimum spacing required from combustible material to the transformer. And that's exactly what this figure 20-24 is illustrating. Dry type transformers rated 112.5 kVA or less and 1,000 volts or less shall not be required to have a 12-inch separation or barrier if they are completely enclosed except for the ventilating openings. And that's exactly what our figure 20-24 is illustrating.